Good morning, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. I am Siti Hamidah from Aceh. My name is P133742092121333. I'm delighted to be here today to tell you about Pancasila's values. Introduction. Pancasila, which is the basic of the Indonesian state, becomes the basic guideline in all the implementation and administration of the Indonesian state government, including laws and regulation. Pancasila is a reflection of the Indonesian nation in the life of society, nation, and state. The values of Pancasila contained in Pancasila are the benchmark for the Indonesian people in the administration of the state, because the consequence of this is that the administration of the state must not defeat from divine values, human values, unity values, populist values, and justice values. Firstly, I will talk about definition. I start with some general information on definition in discussion of problem. 1. Definition of value. Value are measured standard beliefs that exist in society. Values are used as a benchmark for someone to behave in society. In addition, values give direction to one's action. 2. Understanding Pancasila. Pancasila is the basis of the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia. The process of the birth of Pancasila is a history that will never be forgotten by the Indonesian people. The word Pancasila comes from Sanskrit. Pancasila means 5 and Sila means principle of principle. Pancasila means 5 principle of 5 principle of or 5 precepts. The meaning of the values embodied in Pancasila. 5. The meaning of values in Pancasila. Divinity values, human values, unity values, people values, and value of justice. And Pancasila as a source of value. Pancasila was formulated by the founders of the state, which contains noble values to become the basis of the state. As an illustration in the values of life state, there are what are called basic values, instrumental values, and practical values. And values of each item of Pancasila. This leads me to my next point with Pancasila values of each item of Pancasila. 1. Good almighty. 2. Just and inclusive humanity. 3. Indonesian Union. 4. Democracy led by wisdom in deliberation or representation. 5. Social justice for all Indonesian people. To sum up, conclusion, Pancasila is the basis of the Indonesian state and should be the basis the life of the nation and state for all Indonesian people. The values of Pancasila are the scope of values, norms, and moral that shall be able to be practiced by all Indonesian people, because if the Indonesian people are able to practice the values, then the moral degradation and barbarity of society can be minimized. It will also indirectly reduce crime in Indonesia, improve the security and welfare of the Indonesian people. Thank you for all listening. I was pleasure being here today.